Good morning. I am headed to work. It is Thursday. I totally forgot to upload my video this morning, so I'm gonna have to quickly upload it from work when I'm there. I have 2 videos going up today, or by the time you see this, it would have been yesterday. I have my 60-hour reboot, results, and my what I ate yesterday. So today I am drinking, oh, I didn't shake this all the way up. I am drinking Vanilla Sky with a little bit of sea salt. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That has to be my favorite now. I don't know. I mean, I still like raspberry lemonade, but sometimes this flavor is just so good. It's like sweet. I don't know. There's a random, oh, okay. It's a random dog, but there's a person behind it, but way far back. So, anyways, I'm on my way to work. Today is a trailer day. We have this thing downtown that the Downtown Business Association is putting on, and so all the food trucks get to come out basically for free, even if they haven't gotten their city license, which is pretty cool. We do have our city license, but we still get to go and we don't have to pay for it at all, whereas the people without the license have to pay a little bit per event. So that's pretty cool. So anyways, it should be a good day. It should be busy. Last night I took some extra, ooh, that sucks. Last night I took some extra signals. I'm going to take them again tonight. I forgot to take them this morning, but maybe I'll just take them like at lunch. Forgot to take the morning ones because I left kind of in a hurry, so I need to get to the restaurant before 9:30 so that I could get the car hooked up and get everything sorted and all of that stuff. So I'm a little bit stuffed up this morning. Not really sure why. It happens. It happens way less than it used to, that's for sure. Before I started keto, I used to wake up every morning and have to blow my nose for like an hour because it would just be running and running and running. And now I do that maybe once or twice a month. So it's really quite nice. One of the benefits of keto, my allergies have gone down. So, yeah. I hope you guys all have a great day. I hope my day is good as well. I am, it's super windy today, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to be going for a ride or not. It's not supposed to be super hot today, which makes it good riding weather. But if it's super windy, I won't go for a ride. I will just go for a run. I did not go yesterday like I had planned. I thought about it. Don't worry, buddy, I'm not gonna hit you. So, yeah. I am at the restaurant, so I am gonna go and get set up. But yeah, so I will see you guys when I eat this afternoon. I have no idea what I'm planning today. I have no plans as of right now because I woke up late. So I will see you guys in a while. Hey everyone, so it is a little bit before 6. I am going to a art journaling class just a little after 6, and so I thought I would go ahead and make myself some lunch and eat it a little bit early. So I'm having 3 slices of halloumi grilling cheese, and then I'm having the some leftover taco salad. So I've got cheese, a little bit of sour cream, the chicken, and the lettuce. And I'm just having it as a salad rather than doing it in wraps. So anyways, I'm gonna go and eat this. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I will probably still eat something when I get home, but that won't be until after 9. So my dinner will be a little bit later than normal, but that's okay. So anyways, I will see you guys when I eat dinner.
Oh, go ahead.
Hi guys. So Chris and I went to Wendy's because it's pretty late and I don't feel like cooking. So I'm having a Baconator with tomato and lettuce and a Southwest salad. I got the dressing, but I'm not having the dressing because it has sugar and soybean oil in it. So it's a no for me. But anyways, I'm going to enjoy this, and that'll be the end of today's video. So have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video.